Okay, friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are checking out the Vegue, hope I'm saying that right, VD60 conference microphone. It's a USB, 360 degrees omnidirectional PC computer condenser mic with a mute button. So we can grab this off of Amazon. Runs around $24. I'll put the link in the description below if you guys want to check this out. And yeah, so it has all these features back here. Condenser microphone, polar pattern cardioid, input sample 48 kilohertz, bit rate 16-bit. Not sure on all the technical specs on that. So we're going to open this up and set it up and try it out. All right, so the box here. Dun, dun, dun. There we go. So on the top, we have the instruction manual right here, and probably in multiple languages. So it looks like maybe Japanese, Spanish, lots of different German, lots of different languages here, Italian. Okay, basically it looks like it's just a plug and play, so I'm pretty happy with that. Plug the VD microphone into your computer. The computer will automatically recognize USB. A lot of these are super friendly. Plug and play, computer setup. So that's it, the instructions, and it has this nice little card, 2 years replacement warranty on there. Feel free to contact us and we'll reply within 12 hours. So a lot of these guys, there's a lot of competition out there on microphones and everything, so they offer some nice benefits. So that's really cool. Contact them if anything goes wrong after 2 years or whatever. Pretty good solid backing on the materials here. Okay, so good packaging, all just wrapped in foam here. This is a 6-foot USB to USB-C cord for easy. Sometimes they send you shorter cords and it just doesn't really work out. Better have a cord that's too long than a cord that's too short, what I say. Okay. And then here is the microphone itself. That's it for the box there. So it's got some heft to it. You know, it's thin, but it doesn't feel cheap. This is you hear that, but it's a metal, probably an aluminum case here, so it feels solid. It feels. Sometimes you get some stuff, and it just feels kind of cheap. Like cheap materials. Sometimes you get some stuff on Amazon and it's just a knockoff or something. But I like to give stuff a chance, and just from first impression off of quality of craftsmanship, it feels sturdy. Now what we have on the bottom is some silicone footings also, so if you put it on a table here, it's not going to slide around, so that's cool. Just in case someone kicks the cord or something, it's probably going to become unplugged before this slides off and hits the ground. And even if it does hit the ground, this thing seems solid enough to where it's not going to cause any damage, I would think. So yeah, so that can just sit in there. It's supposed to have like a 6-foot 360 omnidirectional voice. So you put this in the conference room or something, you put that in the middle, everybody can talk. So what we're going to do, we're going to set this up real quick and see if we can get this thing rolling. Right now I'm on my helmet mic, and I'm going to be switching over to this one. If you guys are familiar with setting these up, it's just plug and play as far as I know. If it doesn't recognize it automatically, and I might have to switch over, I use Bandicam for my recordings, and if I put this in there, and I'll have to switch over manually from my helmet microphone over to this one. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm just going to plug this into the USB on my computer. Actually, I'm just going to plug this in here real quick first, and then we're going to plug this in on the computer. And maybe I can switch over. Can I do that? We'll give it a shot here. Yeah, I'll see if I can plug it in here real quick. All right, so we are plugged in, and right away, this the light comes on top, thing pops up on my computer. It's discovering it. So I'm just going to click onto my Bandicam over here. And I don't know if I can do it switch during mid-record. It says my device is ready to use, device software installed and successful. So I'm just going to go switch over to that one and we'll see how it sounds. Okay, so we are set up and it is right here. And it might be, I'm not sure how well you can hear me. I don't have, my helmet blocks a little bit of sound. So when I plugged it in, the light came on, recognized right away with the Vegue name under the settings. So just went in there, disabled my helmet mic, enabled this one, no problem. So plug and play worked really good. I'm using this right now to talk on, and so this has a mute too. If you tap this, I guess it's going to mute. Well, obviously you couldn't hear, because that's cool though. When you tap it, it goes red. Red's off, so if you're having a conference something and something needs to be hush hush, tap your mute microphone and you're good to go. So you might be hearing some background noise. My PC is kind of loud. It's under the desk. And so if is some humming or something, it's not the microphone's fault. I have my PC in there and it's got a bunch of fans. It's a little older, so that's because of that. So I'm going to back off a little bit here, and we're just going to see. It's supposed to have some good range on it. So I'm going to open up the helmet here a little bit, so maybe I can talk like a normal person. But I just go back a little bit and still keep talking. We'll see how the range is and stuff. So I'm probably about 6 feet away right now. And just kind of talking normally here, not like yelling or anything. So just cruising around in a chair. And we're going to listen to it, see how it sounds, and give us a final review here. I'll go out here and down the hall a little bit here. So, yeah, seems like it's got some good distance on here. I'm gonna just go here, replay this real quick, take a listen, and then we'll bust out a final review here, guys. All right, my friends. So, final thoughts on this microphone. It works great. I mean, it seems like I went farther away and pretty much the sound was the same. My room right here, I have concrete floors and everything, so you do kind of hear a little bit more of an echo than I think you would normally in like a carpeted room or something like that. So just listening back to the quality, the sound quality, given the PC and everything, and just talking normally, seems to pick up everything just fine, actually. So really impressed with the sound quality, with how quick the mute button works. With the setup was super fast, easy. It doesn't come up under some obscure microphone name. Sometimes you put in a new microphone and you can't tell which one it is because it's not under the name that the microphone is. So I like that it has the name of the actual microphone in there. So that was just go to settings, sound, microphone or whatever, recording, just boom, put that as default, and that was as simple as that. Super easy, super user friendly, good sound quality, and it seems to be nice and solid. So yeah, pretty cool microphone here, guys, for sure. Really impressed with the ease of use, with the construction, and just the sound quality. It's just a nice microphone. So yeah, I will link this in the description below, guys, if you want to check it out. And like I said before, I think it runs, got here, about $24 on Amazon. I am an Amazon associate, so if you do buy stuff through Amazon through my links, it does help out the channel, it helps support me, so that is highly appreciated. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day.